Hi everyone, Nathan Guadagni here, Product Manager for igus Additive Manufacturing. At igus, we specialize in motion plastics. And today I'm here at our North American headquarters in East Providence, Rhode Island. We're going to take a look at our 3D print lab. Whether it's a fast turnaround, tight tolerances, or specialty performance materials that you're after, our print lab can help you out. Let's go take a look at some of our other capabilities. Apart from SLS, we have a full suite of FDM capabilities, as well as our DLP LCD resin printers. Whether you're looking to just prototype a design or go straight to serial production, our team is ready to take on your challenge with no minimum order quantities. It's as easy as uploading your 3D model to our online configurator, and our team of product experts is on standby to answer any questions you might have about material selection, post-processing, or manufacturing method. To get started today, click the link below.